Hi guys, ABCD challenge. Let's start to Dun, dun, dun. ABCD challenges with surprises. Playing with fun. Let's start the game. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Dun, dun, dun. ABCDs. Where are the other 8 letters? Oh no, I need to find them quick. What surprises! Let me open them now. I can get the letters in this gifts. Okay, let me open this one first. What can I get them this? This is something. I didn't know what it is. I think so. In these 3 boxes, letters are there. Then I again open the pink. No, I want blue. That's my favorite. Let me open it now. Ooh, I got F and G H. F G H. I got G H. Where is first of all A? Let me see in the pink one. There is E and T. Where is A, B? I can't still get them. I think so in the last box. Please be A and B. Please, God, please, God. Okay. A, B. I can first challenge. A, B, C. I got it still last. In this challenge, I got my favorite sweet and the letters. I finished the challenge, so I will arrange the elephant. Fox. Go grapes. And guys, this is the grapes color. I did that. And you know what is the time now? It is summer. In the summer we can play in the water. In the morning we played in the water. I finished the first challenge. What is going on again? I, J, K, L are gone. Another 4 letters are gone. I need to find them quickly. This is the second challenge I need to face. I think so. The wing knows where is the second 8 letters. I think so. It knows. It is pointing its. Let's find the letters. So many balloons. I think so. In one balloon I get a surprise. And after popping, I think so I get a letter. Let's start to pop the balloon. Wow, I got an eye. Now I got a J. Now I got a K. I got scared from the balloon sound. Now I got a L. My favorite chocolate. Chucky! Yes! I got 10. Where is another? This one. Come here, balloon. I got another one. Now I got balloon with this. I think so I'll get the P. And I got let me put the letters and I'll tell the letters. I speak. And also yesterday night I ate ice cream for kangaroos, monkeys, and monkeys like to eat bananas. Banana. Well, my hand. I know it goes. We shed the second line, and it is IJKLMNOP. Now the 10 letters are missing. What to do? My hand's leaving. Friends, we need to face the third challenge. What are these? Things are in it. Letters are big. Let's give it I'm going to open this one. I will take these 2 bags to my school. This is fun now. It is a vanity bag. And my favorite. It is beautiful flower. I love it, guys. Let me check the other bag. Yummy, yummy. I got it, you auntie. Yes. These letters. 5 letters remaining 5. Is it here? Is here? Here is 3. So 5. I'm gonna get, I think so another 2 are there. It is Y and X. A gold. Now keep another 10 letters. And so my video will be Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for strawberries, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for watermelon, X for xylophone, U for and also zoo. Zoo. I got 4 mango chocolates and 1 laddus and 1 flower purse. These all are my gifts. I will sing a song of ABCD. ABCD, EFG, HIJK, LMNOP, QRST, UVW, XYZ. If you want to go to bed, keep a sugar on the bread and eat it and go to sleep. Bye bye, and thank you for watching the video and subscribe it and watch whenever you want.